My grandmother taught me accounting like it was a love language. I fell in love with numbers because they never lie, but the world does. This is the story of how my family's obsession with counting survived calculators, computers, and corporate greed, and why your obsolete skills are about to make you richer than ever. See these numbers? She'd say, pointing to her 1970s ledgers. They're not just totals. They're stories. But here's the secret she never told me. Every generation of my family was terrified their counting would become worthless. Tonight, I'm going to time travel through their panic and prove why ours is just history repeating itself. 1976. My grandma Maria, the fastest human calculator in her city, got her first electronic calculator. Her boss tossed it on her desk like a grenade. "This'll do your job in half the time." Maria cried for 3 nights. Then she did something radical. She stole it. Not the calculator, the idea of it. She spent weekends taking it apart, learning its circuits. By 1982, she was the only accountant who could debug the damn things. They paid her triple to fix what was supposed to replace her. Her scribbled note in the margin of her ledger: "They'll always need someone who understands the machine and the dream behind it." 1994. My uncle Faraz, a ledger artist who painted numbers like Picasso, was told Excel would erase his childish handwriting. For months, he pretended to use it, while secretly recalculating everything by hand. Then his boss demanded pivot tables. Faraz panicked until he realized something. Excel was just a faster brush. So he learned Visual Basic and turned spreadsheets into art. His useless flourishes, now called data visualization. He sells his templates for $500 each. His secret? The tool changes. The story doesn't. 2024, Pittsburgh Robotics Hub. The AI that replaced me just tried to hide a pension fund theft. Know who they called? Me, the obsolete human. Because here's the truth no algorithm understands. Numbers have ghosts. The coffee stain on Maria's ledger? A bribe to skip safety inspections. Faraz's art? A trail of hidden overdrafts. So I built a new career, forensic AI trainer. I teach algorithms to spot the lies only Steeltown accountants know. My rate? $1,200 per hour. Because guess what? The blast furnace didn't kill blacksmiths, it created metallurgists. And AI won't kill accountants. It'll create roles we can't even name yet. Like self-algorithmic truth auditor or corporate memory miner. Flip to the last page of Maria's ledger. She wrote it. The day the mill's closed. The fire's out. Now go, light the next one. Fade to my LinkedIn inbox. 17 job offers, all with titles that smell like fresh steel.